In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Google Slides presentation. Let's start by opening your Google Slides deck in your browser. Make sure all your slides are in the correct order, your text is readable, and any images or charts are displaying properly. This is a good moment to enter present mode and quickly click through your slides to check for any animations or transitions that might affect your recording. If something feels off, fix it now so you don't have to re-record later. Next, decide what kind of recording you want. Most people want both their voice and the slides on screen. You have two main options: using a built-in browser tool, like a screen recorder extension, or using a desktop screen recording app. Either way, the idea is the same. You'll record the window that contains your presentation while you talk through your content. Before you start, set up your microphone. If you're using an external mic or a headset, plug it in and select it as your audio input in your computer's sound settings, or directly inside your recording tool. Do a quick sound test by recording a few seconds and playing it back. Listen for background noise, echo, or volume issues. If the audio is too quiet, move a bit closer to the microphone or increase the input level. If there's a lot of noise, try closing windows or moving away from loud devices like fans. Now, with your slides open and your mic ready, open your screen recording tool. Choose to record either your entire screen or, ideally, just the window with your Google Slides presentation. Recording a specific window helps avoid showing notifications or other apps by accident. Make sure the option to record microphone audio is turned on so your narration is captured. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Then switch your presentation into full screen present mode. Take a deep breath and begin talking through your slides as if you were presenting live. Move at a steady pace, pause briefly between key points, and click to the next slide only when you've finished explaining the current one. If you make a small mistake, keep going. For bigger mistakes, you can stop and restart. When you're done, exit present mode and stop the recording in your screen recorder. Your tool will usually generate a video file or give you a link. Play it back to make sure the video is clear, your slides are visible, and your voice sounds good from start to finish. If everything looks and sounds right, you've successfully recorded your Google Slides presentation.